Welcome to NeuroCheck, the machine vision platform. In this video, I will give you an easy introduction to the software. When you start NeuroCheck, an intro screen with various options appears. You can visit the NeuroCheck website, open the Getting Started manual, load a demo with application examples, utilize a wizard to create an application, or receive information about the software version and the state of your license. There is also a button to close the software. On the right, you have the option to create a new application or to open one of your existing applications. The list above shows your recently used applications. You can also load one of these. Below is a list of the most recent system events. You can double-click on an event entry to receive more details. Great! Let's open the demo file next. Now this is what NeuroCheck looks like by default. Here, you can create and configure your applications. On top, you have the main menus and toolbars. By selecting the question mark and choosing Help Topics, you can open the comprehensive NeuroCheck help system. On the left is the Check Routine Explorer. Check Routine is the term for a NeuroCheck application, but more on that later in the video. In this window, you can edit the functions for your application. This is the result view. It shows the results of your last executed function. Below, you can find the information window. Here you will get dynamic help and detailed information about the selected object in the Check Routine Explorer. The associated tabs are actually below the window over here. And at the very bottom is the status bar. It displays the state of current hardware components connected to the software and other important information. Excellent. Now let's see how to navigate the demo application. First, let's take a closer look at a check routine. A check routine consists of so-called checks and check functions. Check functions describe the behavior of your check routine. They are executed in a sequence. A sequence of check functions makes up a check. Checks are typically self-contained applications, such as a surface inspection or a character recognition. In this demo, all checks are executed sequentially. The results can be used for the final result of the check routine. To conclude this video, you will learn how to execute functions so you can see their results. This button executes the selected function in the scope of a check. All preceding functions within the same check are executed too. Let me quickly adjust the result window so you can see the entire function result. The next two buttons are quite similar to the first one. The difference is that they move the selection up or down by one step before the function is executed. This way you can go through a check step by step. The fourth button executes all functions of the entire check routine up to the current selection. Contrary to the other buttons, it goes through every preceding check. To demonstrate the difference, let's select a function of the last check and execute it with one of the blue arrows. An error occurs because the selected function requires data from a preceding check. Pressing the golden arrow button resolves this issue. Good job! Now you can open the NeuroCheck demo yourself and see what each check does. Good luck trying it out and see you in the next video.